Sakascorner.
Hello buddies! Today we are going to have a quiz on community helpers. Are you ready? I work at the fire department. I am a community helper who protects people from fire and keep you safe. Who am I? I am a firefighter. My role in the community is to ensure safety by solving crimes. I wear my uniform and a special badge. Who am I? I am a policeman. I am responsible for taking care of the sick, often under the supervision of a doctor. Who am I? Yes, I am a nurse. I am a community helper that helps you feel better. I take care of sick patients. Who am I? I am a doctor. I work in the kitchens of restaurants and hotels. I create the menus, prepare the food, and manage the operations of the kitchen. Who am I? I am a chef. I am a community helper who grows plants and raises animals. I work in a farm. Who am I? Yes, you're right. I am a farmer. I am someone who works on a construction site. I help build bridges and houses. Who am I? I am a construction worker. I work in school. I am a community helper who helps children learn new things. Who am I? Yes, I am a teacher. I am someone who works in a grocery store. I stock the shelves and help customers find the food they need. Who am I? I am a grocery store worker. I design and build our roads, bridges, and buildings. I am creative and problem solving. Who am I? Yes, I am an engineer. I am a community helper who helps customers with their questions, concerns, and problems. Who am I? I am a customer service agent. I am a community helper who delivers food, packages, and other goods to people's home and offices. Who am I? Yes, you're right. I am a delivery man. I am a community helper who delivers mail to people's homes and businesses. Who am I? I am a postman. I help to keep our roads safe by enforcing traffic laws and protecting the public. Who am I? I am a traffic police officer. I help people look and feel their best by styling their hair. I am skilled in variety of hairstyles. Who am I? I am a hairdresser. I am a community helper who helps to wash, dry, and fold clothes. Who am I? I am a laundry worker. I help to keep cars and trucks running smoothly. I fix broken parts and diagnose problems. Who am I? I am a mechanic. I am a community helper who helps to collect trash and keep our streets clean. Who am I? Yes, you're right. I am a sanitation worker. I am a community helper who helps to repair and maintain electronic devices. Who am I? Yes, I am a technician. You have done a great job.
Thank you.